Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. So, have bought an external HDD 5 GB of storage, which is from the Seagate. So, in this video, we will see the quick unboxing of that product and the read-write speed and other stuffs and compatibility with the different operating systems. So, yeah, let's get started. So, first inside the box I have this Seagate Basic. So this I bought it from the Flipkart in Big Billion Day sale for around 7,900 something with the cashback and other offers. The same Seagate 5 GB external storage is also available in Amazon for 8699 after the 10% of SBI card, 50 rupees. The effective price is like same 7,950, which I spent on this one. Some same 700 you will get. The price is more or less same 7,900, but in Flipkart you will get the Seagate Basic, but there in the Amazon it is Seagate One Touch. I believe it is coming with recovery software for 3 years of services, and you will also getting 4 months of Adobe CC photography. I don't know whether how that works, but first we'll start with the unboxing. So here you will be having the sticker in the top and the bottom. So make sure it is sticked well, and it should have that Seagate logo, so you can understand that it is somewhat legitimate one. Also this one comes with 3 years warranty in India. If you are in different condition, here they have given one good example of how it is based on the white color regions will be having 1 year, and a little bit gray is 2 years, and dark gray is 3 years of warranty. Our India is coming in the dark region, so yeah, racism. So first we'll unbox it. So this one is an international one. I think it has all the languages and methods. So as soon as we open here, we have the product itself. It is a good packaging, and we have some sort of it is only for Australia, so due to some laws and other things they have this one. And other than this, what we have is the user instruction manual for Basic. So if you are buying One Touch, it will be different, but speed more or less will be same, I believe. So yeah, so how to connect 1 2 3, simple. So we'll just close it off and we'll directly get into the product. So in this one having this, so yeah, this is a little bit heavy. I think some 300-400 grams. I don't know it. I will make sure to mention it in the top left, right left, bottom left. So here we have this connector to the USB-A. So this one you can directly connect to your laptop. Also this one supports the USB 3.0 technology. So I already have unboxed and checked a few things, and the speed is we will talk about the speed in later part of this video. So first we'll open this, and yeah, so it is like 2.5 inch not 2.5 mm disc, and it is like having a 2 disc top to bottom laptop's disc. So here we have the basic Seagate portable info. So when you plug into the machine, it will direct as a Basic. I'll just connect here. You can't connect in other way around, and I will connect it in my 3.0. All my ports are 3.0 only, I believe. So yeah, here we have the light which indicates that this is connected. It is blinking, means it is currently running, and you can feel it is running in this one. This is not a SSD, it is a hard drive, so it has a moving part in it. I have used extensively last night. I have copied some 500 plus GB. It doesn't have any noise mostly. It is more silent, and also it is not getting heated or something. Little bit it gets little bit warmer, but that is in higher end case. So first what I'll do, we'll just jump into the computer now. As you can see that here I have already filled some 400 and 450 GB, and here also I have almost completed a terabyte. So 1.5 TB already over, so that's the reason I have bought it. Also in future I am planning to record and upload video in 2K, so that will definitely affect a lot. So this 5 TB I hope it will help me. I can't run the projects and things in that one, but I can use it to archive my old projects. So now I will insert the hard disk. Okay. So in my monitor it shows it Seagate Basic has connected. Currently every time whenever the new one you buy, it will always be in NTFS format, which is the new technology file system, I believe, from Microsoft. But I would recommend, if you are using a external disk, you always use exFAT format, which is better than FAT32, where FAT32 supports only 4 GB single file, and this one supports more than that, 8 times I believe. So let us check. It nearly 16, this one maximum volume total, so it's mostly supports majority of the things. And so yeah, also if I'm using in Mac or something, also exFAT supports. Yeah, so exFAT would be the good option. Also here my archive folder hard disk, this one also exFAT. So when I am switching between different files, it will be great. So now in case whenever you insert it for the first time, if it won't detect it, go to disk manager, and there it will be some sort of unallocated storage or something. There you can just delete the partition and you can recreate it. It will be like something like wait, something like unallocated storage or something. Wait, let it come. This one like this, so that time it won't even show in here. So that time what you have to do, you need to open the disk manager, and here you will be having the disk 2. Disk 1 is my archive one. This is the 5 terabyte, so you don't delete it whichever other storages, which may cost a lot. So first you can do it, and simple this one you can select next, and here you have the NTFS, and you can create the NTFS from there. But as I suggested, you need to have a exFAT. So at least I am having a exFAT, so this doesn't mean you want to have an exFAT. So I'm just creating here as a exFAT. So whatever is there, it is fine. I will just here the somewhat it only supports 10 characters. So I'm just typing as archive underscore old. So I will start the quick format. Yes, I need to format it. I want to format it. So whenever you are formatting, you be careful. So don't delete any file. So to check the write and read speed, I have already copied like 500 GB. So the read speed, the write speed is approximately 100 MB, so 70 to 100 MB from the HDD, and from the SSD it is like 100 to 130 MB. So the same has been one of the user who bought the One Touch has confirmed in the review, so that I would like to show you. So I believe I have seen it in the picture. Yeah, same like some 50 MB if you are doing it in average one. For me it is like 70. Some people will show like it is 30 MB or something, but you need to understand, when the files are small and the count is high, the speed will be how would I say, it will be slow, because it has to start the process and need to end the process, start end. But if the file is larger, there is no start end, much start end, only one start one end, so the process can continues with the same speed, maintaining some sort of 100. So yeah, same like this also I am having. So he bought 4 TB one, so I have to thank him. And this one there isn't much what would I say, there isn't much review or something, so I don't know how I bought this one. Okay, so yeah, now for to check the write and read write speed, I have downloaded this Crystal Disk Mark, so which is one of the popular tool. When I was searching in Google, I found it. So here I have two this one is Crystal Disk Info and Crystal Disk Mark. So first I will check the Crystal Info, Disk Info. Here it is showing health good, but it is for C partition, but ours is E partition, so I will select E, and this one also showing as good. Checking, okay, 5 hours. So this one also has the count how many hours it is in the network. So this one is 5000 hours, and this one is only 533 hours my internal storage. So this is kind of a cool thing. So this is actually a new drive which you can confirm, and we can also go here, and I can now run the Crystal Disk Mark 64. So I will double click on this one. I have two files, A64 and normal 64. So this file seems little bit bigger one, or else I will read readme is there. So for ARM based chips it is A64, and this one normal chips it is 64. So I will just run the normal 64. So here I have the file, I will double click. So it is asking the admin control, and so for here I have to select the drive. So the drive is E drive 465658 gigabyte, and this is some cycle and others. See, these storage related things are actually new to me, so yeah, don't get me wrong, I just searched in Google and I am doing it in here. So I'm just now running the test cases. So here it is, I believe it is running 4 times the test, and it will show the read and write speed. I know the write speed is somewhat 80 to 120 as I said, so I will check that. Also in the meantime I can open the task manager and check the details of this, I believe. So I will go to, so here I have the E. So it is almost 99 percentage of using it is. So here you can see the speed, it is nearly 150 MB. But at the same time, when you are watching some movie or something from the external storage and you are doing copy pasting thing, definitely the speed will be low. So for the purpose that I am going to do, keeping to keep is, I have some good amount of projects which I have recorded last year, 2 years back. So those all I have it. Those media or files I am going to keep it in the archive. So whenever in future if I need, I am going to use that. Only for that purpose I bought it. So as I informed, the speed is nearly some 80 megabyte, not bit, 80 megabyte from 150 megabyte. So if you want in megabits, you can multiply it by 8. So this is the score which I have for this 2 I have. So yeah, and now it is in 0 usage. So I will go to this. Now I will disconnect it from here, and I will just before that you need to eject it. I will have to go here. I have archive old, and I have the format option which I should not use. Here we will be having eject. If you are unable to eject here, you can eject from the right side corner of your PC, and USB thing you can click and you can eject it. So now I have ejected it in the PC. I will turn on my camera and we will check the compatibility in different operating systems. So when recording, I just forgot, the audio didn't recorded well. So here I am fast forwarding the video and giving the voiceover. So here I am using the OTG cable which has the USB input and the other side we have USB-C. So here I have some 4 devices. One is Redmi Note 10 Pro and 11, and Realme Pad and MI A2. So all are different OS it is running. The first one is the MIUI, and then the custom ROM, and Realme Pad running the Realme OS. So this one is in the MIUI. So MIUI, here I also have the NTFS tool, which is just detecting the USB drive, and the verdict is in the MIUI it is not working. So we will move on to the another device. Next we have the Note 11, which is currently running on custom ROM Android 13. So here whenever I connected it, it's showing the option as fix issue to fix the tap to fix the issue. But if I tap the fix to issue, it will ask me to format the data. So here I am using NTFS app, and as you can see here I am able to boot this, and I am able to use the thing through that for this one app. But this app is paid. I just paid some 120 rupees or something, so it is working, but I would say it is not more convenient to use this one, because it is not much stable or something. So every time what you have to do is you need to download the files whichever they are in the hard disk, and then you need to move it to the internal or something, and then from there you can try to play it, as you can see in the video. So yeah, it's working in the custom ROM with that app. Also, whenever you mount it using this app, make sure you eject when you are disconnecting it. So in MIU it's not working, in an custom ROM it's somewhat working, and in Realme Pad we will connect now. And here I first need to enable the OTG option, and here you can see it is detected the Seagate USB drive. So in this files app I am able to see the external storage. It is fully fledged. So here you can see the storage is showing as 5 TB in the storage itself. So I can directly play those videos and things through the Realme Pad, which is really great. So yeah, the compatibility is mostly based on the devices and the custom ROMs, and it changes device to device. So yeah, that's what about this video. Thank you for watching. Code Moto.